Christmas KittiesMama Advent Calendar Series.
And if you're new to this channel, be sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can catch this series at 10 a.m. every day.
For 24 days, we're gonna be doing this, counting down the days till Christmas.
Our father built this beautiful Advent calendar, and it's possibly the biggest Advent calendar on YouTube, and maybe the entire world.
Not the world.
Maybe.
And in each of these compartments, we will have 5 whole gifts for 5 whole children. And I know what you're thinking. What? There's only 3 of you, not 5 children. Well, guess what? We got a 4th one here.
That's Micah.
Close the door. And then we got another one who was just birthed 5 days ago.
Here's the 5th child. Our Advent calendar isn't quite finished today because, as we have stated, this baby was just born. There should be numbers on this in tomorrow's video. He's a preemie baby. He was a month early. Let's go ahead and
jump right on into the news.
Let's go
Alright.
into the box.
This is compartment number uno. KittiesMama kids. Hope you enjoy the gifts for this first day of the year's Advent calendar.
I have a question.
Yes.
Why did you write KittiesMama kids? You're our parents.
Anyway, hope you enjoy the gifts for the first day of this year's Advent calendar, counting down the days till Christmas. Today's gifts are from Mom and Dad, except Micah's. Micah's gift is from our friends at Mattel. Thank you, Mattel. Free product. Okay, let's go.
That sounds like a...
That was a nice throw. It got right in front of the camera.
So let's go ahead and open number 1. Okay, first thing we got is Micah's. And it says, glow in the dark, Thomas and Friends.
Micah, come out! There's a choo-choo!
Choo-choos, Micah.
Micah, there's a choo-choo!
He's out.
Micah's a big fan of Thomas.
Choo-choo! Okay, so this is basically a glow-in-the-dark Thomas the Train set with mini Thomas the Trains and like neon-colored Thomas the Train sets.
That
Here
glow
are
in the
reveal
dark.
more.
Rainbow tracks, Micah.
Cool.
That does look cool. I like that. Alright, so thank you, Mattel, for this free product.
Okay, let's get right on to number 2. As a number 2 gift. So this is a little onesie thing for Luca, that little baby over there. So this is a gift from our mother. So, Luca, what do you say? That's what he says. All right.
You mean it exhale from his mouth.
All right, this one's Noah's. He got a microphone.
Yeah!
Because Noah's a real music nerd.
And this stand.
First song I'm gonna do lyrics on is gonna be in F major. I'm predicting that right now. Just if you like my music, if you follow me on Instagram, then just
Noah
know,
has good music. Listen to
just
it.
know that my first song with lyrics is gonna be F major.
Have you used this? I don't know.
I can't. It's very hard to.
There you go. It's a microphone that you can literally like throw at the wall and it'll still survive.
Wait.
It's like built like a tank.
What, are you going to throw it on a wall?
No. I could and it would still
Does
survive though.
Mine
Break
spins.
your
I
wall.
think.
Thank you, Mother and Father, for this beautiful product.
All right, let's go into the next one. I don't know what stuff is in here because I can't see it. I'm gonna go with mine because I'm really big.
Mine is big. And it's the
Okay.
same price as the boys. Don't judge me.
All right, so I got 2 Nintendo Switch games. We got Octopath Traveler and Dark Souls, and that's not mature. That's teen. For your information. So thank you, parents, for these wonderful gifts.
I'm going to get my gift.
You
I can get hers. Now, Emma's kit might look like the best one, but it's actually the same price.
Everything's the same price here. Except for
Pro tip,
Luca's.
if you're gonna get a vinyl player, don't get the briefcase one. Get one of these and get your own briefcase for it and paint it how you want.
Get your own case. This is a vinyl record player, also known as a stereo turntable. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I really like this and I appreciate it. This is exactly what I wanted and I'm so glad they got it for me.
I'm just as excited to see it because I have a crazy audio system I want to hook up to it. So we hope you're as excited as we are about the items inside this Advent calendar, and we hope you stick around for the rest of the days. We hope you subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that bell so you won't miss any future videos of us opening up this beautiful golden-edged Advent calendar.
Every day at 10 a.m. until Christmas Eve.
If you want to check out the video where we're gonna have the story of the baby being birthed, then you can. That'll be on Monday.
Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Bye.
See you next time, YouTube.
Click these rectangles for videos and click the circle to subscribe.
Bye-bye.